Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm really excited about today's video because we're testing this really fun new collection that just came out. It's really cute. Are you ready for it? It's the Colourpop Malibu Barbie Beach Party collection that just came out. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I love testing new collections and reviewing and trying them out. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna review it, do a full makeup look, and also do swatches. As always, I will link timestamps down below if you wanna skip to like the swatches or something, go ahead and do so. But before we get started, please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And also, if you're not already subscribed, you should subscribe to my channel. I put out videos twice a week and it also helps me continue to create content just like this, and I really appreciate it. So let's get started. Today I tried with my hair and my little outfit. I was like, gotta like try and bring out my inner Barbie. So I'm trying to look a little bit like Barbie right now. Don't know if it's working, but let's dive in. I got the collection right here in this beautiful little package that just came in yesterday. I was very excited when it came in. I was like, yes. So I got the collection and they absolutely nailed Barbie. It's very pink, has those yellows and blues that you kind of associate with Barbie. So I'm really excited. I got a few things from the collection. I didn't get the whole collection because it was a little bit more expensive than the regular collections. Obviously, they're partnered with Barbie, but I did get the main parts of the collection. Of course, we got the palette. We got this massive Super Shock highlighter. I got the lashes that came with this collection as well because I love Colourpop lashes. And we also got one of the 3 lip kits that came with this. So let's dive in. I'm looking really dewy today. Put on a BB cream moisturizer. I was like, let's pretend we're going to the beach. So let's open it up. We're gonna open, of course, the palette first because that's what everyone wants to see. So this is the palette. Cute packaging, super cute. And then here is what the palette looks like. Oh my gosh, so intense. These like this blue, this bright pink, and this yellow, like this little area right here is calling my name. So we're gonna swatch that in a second. We got this absolutely massive, like this is huge. It's like the size of my hand. Super Shock highlighter. I don't know why it's so freaking big. Like I get Barbie has that little like makeup thing like this and so it replicates it, I get, but like it's huge. How am I gonna store this or like travel with it if I wanted to? But yeah, we got this giant highlight we're gonna be trying later. A quick look at the lashes that came with this collection. They're called the doll lashes, very cute. We're gonna put those on. And then we got the lip duo. So it's a lipstick and a lip pencil to go along with it. Super cute, it has the word Barbie written on it. I don't know if you could see that, but this is a really cute color and it has a matching lip pencil. So let's dive in. We're going to swatch the palette, obviously. And as always, I just swatch top row across and then bottom row across and then, you know. Okay, so let's go into the first row and I'm just gonna swatch them on my arm here. So this is the first color. Oh, that's really shiny and sparkly. That would be a great highlight. Here's a pink shimmer shade. That's also really pretty. Very sparkly as well. Here's the sparkly gold from the top the top row. Oh my god. Okay, that gold, stunning, pigmented, love it. We got a beautiful coral shade. Amazing. No words, no words. And then the last color in the top row, this one right here. It's more of a champagne-y gold color. Oh my gosh. Pigmented. Absolutely pigmented. So this again is the top row right here. Very pretty. Let's keep going. We're gonna go to the second row, which has the big colorful ones. Here is the beautiful yellow. Again, so pigmented. Then we have the Barbie hot pink, of course. This is a classic Barbie color. Oh my gosh. Colourpop is killing it with this palette. Like, oh my god. These are pigmented. Okay. Here is the bright sparkly pink. Ugh, beautiful. That was so smooth, went on like butter. Also, the blue, can't have a beach party without the ocean, obviously. These colors right here, amazing. We got a classic brown. That's beautiful. I'm running out of space on my arm because I went really, really large, but that is the second row right there. Stunning. We're gonna swatch the last row on this arm because I just don't have room. And this is a nice light brown shade. Oh, that's pretty. That's a beautiful like transition crease shade. We have a like mauve-y kind of color. Here we go. I'm swatching with my left hand and I'm right-handed, so yes, they are a bit askew. I apologize, but that is a beautiful color. Here is the sparkly blue. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, also I'm sorry if I'm sweating. I'm so sorry if it looks like I'm like really sweaty. It is 80 degrees in this room and I had to turn my fans off for this video. So that's why I look really, really warm. It's because I am. All right, and here's a sparkly like coppery shade. Oh, that's really pretty too. All of these, I'm like, there has not been one shade that isn't incredibly pigmented. And then the last shade, we have a bright, bright orange. Here we go. Oh my gosh. So pigmented. Here is, okay, so that is the last row. All of these shades are so freaking pigmented. Blown away. Absolutely blown away. Now that we have these amazing swatches, gorgeous, this palette I'm so excited for. Let's do a quick swatch of the highlight. Massive, massive highlight. Okay, so let's swatch this highlight. Oh my god, so buttery. That's what it, oh my gosh, that's what it comes out as. Okay, I'm just gonna do it on my palm here. Oh wow. It's kind of dark for me, personally, my skin tone, but it is very pretty. We're still gonna try and use it, see how it comes out. I love Colourpop Super Shock highlights. They're stunning. And then of course, since we're swatching already, let's just swatch these two really quick. This is the color Dream House. It's one of the lip duos, and I'm just gonna go right over here. Oh, that's a beautiful, vibrant pink shade. And then let's swatch the matching lip pencil right next to it. Both very beautiful colors. Can't wait to try these on the face. It looks like the lipstick is kind of like more of a satin finish rather than a matte finish, which is fine because I love a good satin finish. Now, of course, let's get on into the fun part, doing a makeup look using these beautiful shadows. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do today. Let's see if it ends up working out, because half the time it never does. So since we're gonna do the eyes, I'm gonna zoom you in a lot closer. Hello, am I close enough? This close enough? Probably. What I wanna do is kind of like a cut crease kinda. I wanna use the yellow, the blue, the pink, and then that sparkly pink. We're gonna see if it works out. My eyes are creasing already. It is so hot in here and I am sweating, but gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm literally gonna dive straight in with that yellow shade on a fluffy brush. Oh my gosh. So pigmented. And I'm just gonna really just blend this out, like blend it all the way up. I'm not being super precise with this, just really blending it out, smoking it out. And that buffed out so quickly. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna do one more coat, like kind of coat over it, another top, just to make sure it's nice and bright, because yellows can get patchy because they are so light. So we're just going to put a little extra on there. Stunning. I love it. Now I'm going to take this kind of flat brush and we're going to take that bright blue and we're going to go kind of under yellow a bit. I'm just being very careful, just patting that kind of on there, because then I'm gonna cut the crease, and I want that like layered look. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to lose the yellow, so we're just gonna blend the yellow on top of that. Yes, yellow and blue kind of make a little green. You're kind of seeing it, but that's fine. I don't mind. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna cut the crease here. Okay, now that we've cut that crease there, I'm gonna take this flat brush here, and I'm gonna take that bright, bright pink, like incredibly bright pink. And we're gonna pat that on kinda where we cut the crease. And you'll notice I cut the crease a bit low, but that's because I want those really intense lines in there. Those big gradients. If it just got kind of dim, my studio lights just went out for some reason and they are not turning back on, so little annoyed by that. But we're just gonna roll with it, I guess, because I can't do anything about it. Kind of got a bit of a Barbie rainbow going on. I like it. Now I'm gonna take that same brush and I'm gonna take that really, really sparkly pink, and we're gonna put that on top of the pink. Get some, because we want some sparkle in here. Of course, this is a Barbie collection. You gotta have sparkle on the eye. And then I'm also just gonna darken that blue up a little bit more. And then, of course, I love to highlight the inner eye, so we're gonna take that first really bright sparkly shade right there, and we're gonna put it on the inner corner there. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. And then I'm gonna smoke out blue under the lash line here, because I love to go under the lash line, just kind of smoke it out a bit. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna take the sparkly blue as well and kind of put that under the eye. Okay, so Colourpop did not release any like eyeliner with this, so I just used my Beauty Creations blue eyeliner in the waterline there to kind of just add that bit of pop. We got a very colorful eye going, very Barbie-esque. I love it. Kind of got that nice dramatic wing going. I'm going to quickly do the other eye off camera, and then we're going to apply the lashes. So stay tuned. Okay, so there we go. I did the other eye. I also put these doll lashes on. They were a pain to get on, these lashes. I don't know what was going on. But they also go like more out than up, which was weird, but I mean they're supposed to mimic like lashes you find on dolls. So I kind of get it, but like, oh my gosh. They were rough to get on. But I do like the eye. I haven't done something like this in a while. That blue is kind of fading more than I want it to. Such is life. All right, now we're gonna go into this gigantic highlight. And with Super Shock highlights, since they're so buttery, I usually either use my finger or like to use a really dense brush. So we're gonna start with the really dense brush, and then if it's not coming out the way I want it to, we're gonna go on with our fingers. Okay, so I'm gonna take the dense brush and just kind of pack that in. Oh my gosh. It is like super buttery. Like crumbling apart. Okay. It is, I will say this, I do think it's a bit dark for my skin tone. I'm so pale, and this is a very like gold. I'm gonna use my finger actually, because the brush is being a bit like, it's dark. Like you could see it sitting on my skin because it's like a gold color. I usually like to go for like white, silver, or pink on my skin tone, but this is, I think, a really good skin tone for people who are a bit tanner than I am. But it is very shiny. It is quite beautiful, quite pretty. Very gives you that nice, stunning like gold look. But yeah, I can like see it sitting on top of my skin, like it's not blending in quite as much as I want it to, because it is a bit dark for me. But it's pretty. It's cute. My favorite Super Shock shadow is Flexitarian, that very bright white color. We're gonna put some on our nose, on the Cupid's bow. Yeah, see, it's dark. It's dark for me. But that's fine. This would be really good if you had like a medium to tan skin tone. I'm as pale as a ghost, so So now that I've highlighted up, now we could go into the lipstick. My hair is fizzing because of all the gosh darn humidity, so we're going to take our lip pencil. It's very smooth, very buttery. It goes on very nice. And now let's put this color on, Dream House. I think this was the middle shade. They had a lighter one and they had a darker one than this. They had the classic like fuchsia pink for Barbie, but I don't like how fuchsia pink tends to look on me. I actually never wear pink lipstick, so this is a first. But I do like the color. It's not too intense. It smells sweet, like vanilla. And there we go. The finished Barbie look. Using this beautiful palette right here, we created a nice eye shade, something very dramatic. Kind of feels a bit 80s, you know what I mean? But that's okay. We're feeling glamorous today. We're feeling like Barbie, feeling really cute. The collection is quite pigmented, although that blue is kind of... it's dissipating more than I wanted to, but other than that, it's pretty good. The highlight is very pretty, definitely not for my skin tone, a bit too dark for me, but if you're a tan, if you got a nice summer tan going already or want to get your summer tan, that's a really, really cute color for you. I do like the lipstick. The lipstick's pretty. I never wear this color lipstick at all, but it's quite pretty. It is quite pretty. Yeah, I'd say I give this collection a thumbs up. It is really pretty. I can definitely see myself doing like either very dramatic looks like I'm wearing right now or something a bit more toned down, but definitely very bright and fun and summery. So if these are your colors, definitely check it out. I mean, also, who doesn't love Barbie? I remember playing as a little girl, you know, like having the Barbie dream house and all the Barbies. But I do like the lipstick. There were 3 different shades. I got one because one of the colors wasn't really my vibe, and the other 2 are very similar. These lashes were interesting. I've never worn lashes kind of like this. They kind of go more like straight out, but I mean, they're nice, they're fine. They were a pain to get on for some reason, but I got them on. So that's all that was really in this collection. There was nothing else other than the 2 lipsticks that I didn't get, but oh, there was also a hand mirror. There was a Barbie hand mirror, but I was like, I don't need a Barbie hand mirror, so I didn't get it. But this is how we're looking. Do I look like Barbie yet? Am I Barbie? No? Yes? Maybe? Anyway, that concludes this video. Please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Yeah, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below your thoughts on this collection. Did you get it? What did you get? Are you not getting it? What are your thoughts on it? I would love to hear from you guys. I always love hearing from you guys. And also subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'd really appreciate it. It really helps me out. Yeah, and I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.